am Laiba Hashmani from 17Batch Software. I have made an Android application using Java. Basically, it is a meeting reminder app which reminds to notification on the date and time of added slot. This is the first activity of my app, which shows the splash screen with logo and name of the application. Now this is the home screen, which has 3 text views. The first one shows the greeting according to the time, then this one shows the current time, and the third text view shows the total slots of the day. Since I have no slots today, so it is showing 0. On the top left corner there is a drawer menu which links to other activities of this app, like the home page, which I already showed you. The other one is add slot, view slot, and help. Now coming to the add slot, you can simply add slots here, like the date of the meeting, the start and end time of the meeting, the location of the meeting, and in this drop down menu where you can select either you have a meeting with manager, team, or employees. So adding a slot, first we have to select the date of the meeting, let's say 16th of September. Now the start time of the meeting, let's say 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. The location of meeting, I will write Hyderabad, and I'm choosing manager, team from here. So I will add slot. Then it will ask me that whether I want to add any other slot or not, so I will say no, and it will bring me back to the main home screen. Now if we want to view our slots, so these are all the slots, like I added some previously, so it is showing me all the slots. There are 2 options in the view slots. If we want to like delete any slot or update any slot, so if I click on delete, so it will simply delete this slot, and if I want to like edit it or update it, so I will simply click on update. Like if I want to change the date of the meeting, let's say 15th of September, so it will update my slot, which is showing 15th of September. Now the last activity is the help. It simply shows that what is the functionality of the home screen, what is showing, and what is the functionality of add slot, and what is the functionality of view slot. So, and this is simply our help screen. Now coming towards the code part, this is the code for my application. Now this is the main activity, and basically here is the code for the splash screen, and this is the XML file for the activity, in which there is an image view and a text view. Now this is the home class, like this is the class for drawer menu. Like if we click on home, so it will bring us to the home.class, and if we want to click on add slot, so it will bring us to the add slots.class. So this is how it works, and this is the XML file for this class, this Java class, and this is the welcome.java class. Here like it shows the greeting according to the time and the slots of the day. All those things are coming from this class. This is the XML file for it, like there are 3 text views, and this is the XML file for adding slots, like there are different add slots, and if I want, and there are different methods in add slots or Java class. Like if I leave any field empty, so it will say that please choose a date first, or if I leave the start time empty, so it will give me an error message that please fill up the start time. All these things are coming from this Java class, and basically it is this Java class is adding slots to the data through SQLite database. So this is how it works, and this is all from my side. Thank you.